Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial about how I'm doing my makeup lately, especially my skin. I've been loving a really glowy, youthful skin. If you want to continue, keep on watching. I start with a little bit of skincare prep. I use a rose water to dampen my skin. This is by Dabur Gulabri. I spritz a little bit of it on my skin and then gently pat it. I then go in with a toner. This toner is from the Face Shop. It is a bit expensive but it is worth it. It glides on the skin so beautifully and gives a really radiant glow. I then go in with a moisturizer. This is by Mamaearth. It's the oil-free moisturizer. I take a really good amount of the moisturizer on the palm and then gently massage it on my face. I really concentrate massaging it so that I get a plumpier look. The foundation I'm using here is a Makeup Revolution stick foundation. This foundation is one of my current favorite now. It's a very lightweight foundation, perfect for combination skin. It's like a BB cream but with a little bit of more coverage. It gives a really natural medium coverage. So all of you out there who are looking for a high coverage foundation, maybe this one is not for you, but for me it works just fine. As I don't like to hide all of my blemishes, I like a really natural soft looking skin. For the concealer, I am avoiding anything which is very matte or too long wearing, so I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This gives a natural medium coverage. I am using it under my eyes, on my nose, on my forehead, and on the areas I have hyperpigmentation. I'm using the same blending brush that I've used to blend my foundation so that everything blends seamlessly and my face doesn't look cakey at all. As you can see, still now my face looks glowy and natural and it doesn't look that I have used a heavy base. The only powder product I'm using here is a bronzing shade from the Wet n Wild Mega Contouring Palette. I will be just contouring my face lightly to bring back the warmth on my face and not go overboard with contouring. For the brows, I'm using the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. This kit is perfect for Indian skin tones as we tend to have darker roots and the color of our brows matches with the color of our hair, so it works perfect. For the eyes, I'm using the Sharian Blossom palette. This palette is so perfect. It has so many bold colors as well as neutral shades. As you guys all know that I love playing with colors, but for today I'll keep it simple and I will be using only pinkish mauvish tone that is there in the palette to keep the whole look neutral, fresh and dewy looking. To give a little bit of dimension to my eyes, I am using the brownish tone in the palette and gently patting it on the outer crease of my eyes and then blending it with the pinkish tone that we have already used on the lid. Moving on to the cheeks, I love to use a lipstick as a blusher as it gives the most natural flush of color on the cheeks and it looks that we are blushing from within. I am using the liquid lipstick from Huda Beauty in the shade Material Girl. It is the perfect plumpy pinkish tone and I love using this as a blush. So I decided to use another lipstick on top of the shade that I've already used as it was looking a bit more pinkish and I want a peachy look altogether. So I'm using the Miniso Flawless Matte Gloss in the shade Tea Rose. It is a perfect peachy nudish color. I'm taking the rose gold shade from the same palette and using it as an highlighter. So this shade is very intense, so I make sure that I diffuse it nicely on the skin, and for that I'm using my hands and not a brush, as sometimes brush gives a really striking highlighter look which I don't want. For the lips, I'm using the same two lipstick that I've used as a blusher. It is the Huda Beauty lipstick and the Miniso Flawless lipstick. I'm using both of them to achieve a really mauvish pinkish tone. I'm keeping the eyes really simple. I'm just using a mascara which is the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, which is my absolute favorite. So that's the finished look. I really hope you enjoy it. You don't have to necessarily use all the product that I'm using here today, but the idea is to keep the base really simple and glowy and not use a lot of product on the skin. All the products would be mentioned in the description box below. Do check it out and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as I'm very active there. Till then, stay safe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.